Good morning, children. My name is Sumalata. I am the math teacher of Kakatiya Public School here. Now, types of angles here. Already I said you here how it forms the angles here. First 0 degrees we are taking as the initial ray, and here coming to the acute angle here, the acute angle lies between the 0 degrees to 90 degrees. Yes, so the terminal ray is lying between the 0 degrees to 90 degrees. See here, you can see the dotted lines as a terminal ray. So here forms the acute angle here. Why? Because the terminal ray is below the 90 and above the 0 degrees. So how the shape looks like the acute angle here? Like this. Now coming to the obtuse angle. Obtuse angle nothing but the angle lies between the 90 degrees to 180. Already I taught you. And now the initial ray is always at the 0 degrees. Now terminal ray is moving here between the 90 degrees to 180 degrees. So here nothing but from 0 to till this terminal ray. So how it looks like here when we are taking obtuse angle here, it looks like this. Yes, now right angle here. Right angle nothing but here it shows that exactly 90 degrees here. So the initial ray is at the 0 degrees and here the terminal ray at the 90 degrees. Here, terminal ray. Terminal ray. Initial ray at 0 degrees and terminal ray at 90 degrees. That is the right angle here. It looks like L shape. And here you can see 90 degrees. Now, straight angle nothing but exactly 180 degrees. Exactly 180 degrees nothing but here the initial ray at 0 degrees and the terminal ray at 180 degrees. So it shows like this. From here to, so here it looks like this. So this is a straight angle here. Okay. Now reflex angle. Reflex angle means the angle lies between 180 degrees to 360 degrees. 180 degrees to means here obviously the initial ray at 0 degrees and here the terminal ray lies between the 180 to 360 degrees. Here I am taking this is as a terminal ray. So here it looks like this. Here too. So it's a reflex angle. Now complete angle. Complete angle nothing but here it shows exactly 360 degrees. Means it starts from the 0 degrees initial ray and it completes one total rotation at 360 degrees. Means it completed one rotation. So it is a complete angle 360 degrees. Yes, children, now plane shapes. Now first one is square here. Square nothing but all sides should be equal. Square nothing but all sides should be equal. It has 4 sides. See 4 line segments. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Means a square has 4 sides. And it has 4 corners. See here you can see the corner 1, 2, 3 and 4. Means a square has 4 corners or 4 vertices and it is a flat face. it has one flat face. A square has four sides, and this all four sides should be equal, and four corners, 1, 2, 3, 4 corners, and one flat faces, which you can see here. Now here you see children, you can see the square here. See, already I told you a square has four sides, which I mark it with the blue color. These are the sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this all sides should be equal, and four corners, which I mark it with the red corners, 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. A square has four corners and four sides, and it is a flat shape. Next plane shape is rectangle here. A rectangle also has a four sides, and it should have opposite sides should be equal. Okay, this side should be equal, and this side should be equal. So this is a rectangle, and it has four sides. 1 side, 2, 3, and 4. Means a rectangle has four sides. And a rectangle has four corners. 1 corner, 2 corners, 3 corners, and 4 corners. A rectangle has four corners are vertices, and it is a flat shape, one flat face. So a rectangle has four sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this four, in the four sides, opposite sides should be equal, and four corners, 1, 2, 3, 4 corners, and one flat face. Here you can see here model of the rectangle, children. Here now you see a rectangle has four sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, and here this opposite side should be equal. Top and bottom side line segments lengths are equal, and left and right line segments are equal here, and which I marked with the blue color, and now corners here with the red I marked, which I marked with the red color. 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. So, and it has a one flat shape. A rectangle has four sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, and four corners, 1, 2, 3, 4, and one flat face. Triangle here. Triangle has three sides and three corners. See, it looks like this. Here you see the sides I am showing you with a different color. 1, 2, and 3. It has three sides, and here corners. 1, 2, 3. Means a triangle has three sides and three corners, and it is also a flat shape. Already I told you here 1, 2, and 3, which is marked with the blue color, and three corners, 1, 2, 3, which is marked with the red color. It is a flat shape. Okay, so it is a triangle. Okay. Next shape here. Rhombus. Rhombus here looks like this. Rhombus also, it has the four sides here. 4 sides and 4 corners. Rhombus also has a 4 sides and 4 corners. 4 sides and 4 corners. And it is also a flat shape. And here, one thing here you can observe this, a rhombus also has a four sides and four corners, and it is also a flat shape. At the same time here you can see the square also. Already previously I said about the square. Square also has a four sides, four corners and four sides, four corners, and it is also a flat shape. But what is the difference in these two means? Here you see, coming to this, here the angles are different in the rhombus and in the square. That's the difference between these two, rhombus and square. Okay, so it has rhombus also has a four sides and a square also has a four sides. Rhombus also has a four corner and square also has a four corners, and rhombus also a flat shape and square also a flat shape. But what is the difference between these two means? Here rhombus has a different angles and square has only 90 degrees angle. This is the difference between this rhombus and square. Here children, here you can see the rhombus. Rhombus has four sides, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And corners are here 1, 2, 3 and 4. And here you have the angle other than the 90 degrees. So it's a rhombus, okay? And it is also a flat shape circle. Next flat shape is circle, and next 2D shape is circle. Circles everyone knows here. Circle is a curved shape with a round. Circle is a curved shape with a round. Here you see. And it doesn't have any corner. It has no corner. It doesn't have any corner and it has one curved edge or one curved side. Here you can see here, which I am drawing here. This is a curved. Means it has one curved edge and it is also a flat shape. A circle has no corners and one curved edge and it has flat shape. It is a flat shape. Now here you can see the circle children, and here you see here which is in blue color. This is the edge and it is a flat shape. And no, in any place you can't see the corners. See here, one curved edge. That's it. No corners, nothing here, and it is a 2D shape, nothing but flat face. Yes children, I hope you understood today's topic here. 2D shapes are plane shapes. Now I have given some worksheet on that topic. Now you see, write two examples of 2D shapes in our daily life situations. One example I will say you. For example, circular shape, coin. Like that, other two shapes other two examples you need to write. Like that, for the other shapes also you need to write the two examples here. Thank you children.